Welcome back to the Cadspec YouTube channel. Today we're talking about one of the most important but often overlooked aspects of CAM programming, and that's post-processors. So a post-processor is the vital link between your CAM system and your CNC machine. So it translates toolpaths into an exact NC code format required by your specific machine and your controller. Without the correct post-processor, the program might fail to run, produce errors, or even drive the machine incorrectly, which is not what we want. So when generating NC code, it's crucial to have a post-processor that's suited to your specific CNC machine and control system. Autodesk CAM products provide a strong starting point with their extensive post libraries: Fusion 360, Inventor HSM, PowerMill, and FeatureCAM. Every shop and every machine is different, and we respect that here at Cadspec. Our CAM specialists work with customers every day to make sure their post-processors are set up correctly, fine-tuned for their exact machines, and if needed, developed and customised to meet your unique requirements. We don't just point you towards a file, we help you optimise your entire workflow. So, if you're unsure which post-processor to use, need support setting one up, or you require a custom solution tailored to your business, we can help out. Our experts are here to help make sure your machine not only runs smoothly, but your code is reliable and your production stays efficient. Have you still got questions on post-processors? We can always answer them in the boxes below. However, if you want to book your own post-processor service from Cadspec, please drop us a line. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.